Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to customize your PS4 light bar. The light bar on your PlayStation 4 controller serves several important functions, primarily indicating player number and controller status. While official customization for a rainbow effect isn't available, understanding its default behaviors is key. We'll explore what the light bar does and how some users achieve unique visual styles. The light bar isn't just for show, it communicates vital information. For instance, it helps distinguish between up to 4 players, with each controller assigned a different color. It also flashes orange to signal a low battery, letting you know when it's time to recharge. Additionally, it works with the PlayStation camera for motion tracking in certain games. It's important to know that Sony does not provide an official software option to make your PS4 light bar display a rainbow. The colors are hard-coded to specific functions like player identification or game interactions. While you can adjust the brightness of the light bar through your console settings, there are no built-in features for advanced color customization or rainbow patterns. If you're set on a rainbow light bar, third-party hardware modifications are your only option. These typically involve opening your controller and replacing the existing light bar components with specialized LED kits. While these kits can create stunning visual effects, be aware that performing such modifications will likely void your controller's warranty and requires some technical skill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.